Hey guys, today we're making one of my favorites, balopla or shaking beef. We're gonna need our ribeye. We've got some butter lettuce and tomatoes and cucumber for garnish, soy sauce, can of butter, mushroom seasoning, black pepper. We've got onion powder and garlic powder, sweet onion, garlic, green onion, Thai chilies, oyster sauce, and my you name it garlic butter. And we also have some sugar. I am gonna show you what to do next. Butter's melting. We are gonna add in our sweet onion, beef right in. Now, can of butter. Give it a nice mix. And now before we dig in, it's time to take a hit out of my Hitoki Saber. Yummy. It's time to dig in. I'm so excited because I also have mad munchies. I'm elevated as fuck, and that is fire. So good. Just the perfect amount of sweetness, savory. That's perfect. Stay cooking, y'all.